Hey guys, so I am currently, there's a bunch of gunk on my lens, one sec. That's better. Okay, so I am currently on my last week here in Michigan before I moved to Texas with Brian. So I came with my family to the UP to explore some parts of Michigan I've never seen before. Got Dom chilling in the back. It's super late, we just got to our first hotel, so that's why the lighting is kind of blah, but we're gonna take you on this adventure with us. We're gonna go hiking, see some waterfalls, go to Pictured Rock, I don't really know what we're doing, we're just kind of going with it, and then from there we're gonna be going to my cousin's grad party. So yeah, we're gonna explore the UP a little bit. If you guys wanna, well, for those of you that aren't from Michigan, Michigan has two parts, the upper and lower peninsula. I'm from the lower peninsula, which is the Mitten, and then the UP is right on top of it. And yeah, I've never really been to the UP before, so I'm excited to check it out. Roll it up. And then you eat it like it's a snack. Very good. Waterfall number 2. These butterflies literally don't care. Like, we're right next to them. They're just chilling. Staying, the American.
We've had these since like the AM. Why do I keep doing that?
All right, we're gonna go take a boat tour of the Pictured Rocks. I got my thrifted USA tee, 4th of July. Lex is all decked out.
Yeah.
Marca. Red, white, and blue for the 4th. Yeah. Coming for you. Sounds about right. Run. Ding, 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 ding. It is day 2 in the UP. We wanted to go kayaking, but apparently the waves are supposed to get to like 3 to 4 feet today, so the kayaking tour was canceled, which is a bummer, but we're gonna go to a little like cafe bookstore. duckies and ducksies. Okay, so all the female ducks were working together to make the male ducks swim away so that the babies, who are kind of gone now, they're under the dock, could get to the food that we were throwing. So all the moms were sticking together to chase the male ducks away so they couldn't steal the food. It was really sweet. Okay, this next one's a waterfall literally on the side of the road. So we're just gonna check it out. Oh, my Converse really aren't white anymore, so I need new ones, but they're about to get real muddy. Here we go. Oh God. You can see there's no way around it. Your girl's just gonna have to go through it. I'd say it was worth it. So my little brother said do it for the vlog. I'm doing it for the vlog. We made it through the mud. We're now at the beautiful waterfall. It's kind of small, random one on the side of the road, but it is so cool to be able to get right up on the waterfall. It's incredible. It's awesome. Happy we made it?
Yeah, for sure.
Literally standing in the waterfall right now. Like my feet are on some rocks. In the waterfall. This is the coolest thing. Like I said, it's not the biggest waterfall. It's not something everyone was like, oh, you have to stop here. You just need to find the crazy cool places like this that aren't necessarily hidden, but are just awesome. And we're not outdoorsy people, believe it or not. Like my family, we are not. But we are making the most of this. Like, we love it, and we are not outdoorsy.
Like, I'm a girly girl.
So we hiked up that way, around into the waterfall. She lost her shoe in the mud. Mom lost her shoe in the mud. We're just going for it. Waterfall, you can't even see like over there where people are viewing the waterfall. It's so pretty. I'm happy we hiked it up. Like she said, guys, if you guys can go and just find like unknown trails, go check them out because it ends up being worth it. Unless there's signs that tell you specifically not to. Be smart, but it's worth it. This is so beautiful.
You guys, we're being really stupid. But I'll be stupid with ya. That's what you want. Look at that. That's a huge thing of water. I don't know if we should do any more of it.
Don't pet it. I'm not petting it. But there's a puppy. Hi, baby. Oh, he's running away. Tree in the middle of the road, so naturally. We do what normal people do, right? We're gonna have to move it. Okay. How? Go. It's still connected to something, so we just have to hold it. Okay. Let go. Slingshot and oh yeah.
Oh my God. We are being with the map. So stupid.
That's the way it's set to go. Okay, be careful though, because if you can't tell, my mom had a really bad experience with back roads one time with my dad, so now she hates them and ruined it for all of us. Yeah, a guy came out with a shotgun and yelled at them to get off his property. This is a four-wheeling place. So all these cars are getting ready to go four-wheeling. This is reminding me of like not in a car for four-wheeling if you can't tell. Got my coffee so we can hit the rest of the waterfalls. They can get in. Around 3 different construction workers trying to get directions. OMG. Hey. elephant ears right now. Got our ice cream.
Awkwardly eating it in the background.
Heading back to the hotel to hit the hot tub. Good ice cream. Oh, I guess we're taking a little break first to enjoy.
I don't even like ice cream.
You have to get it though. They went really light on that. Head into the hot tub at the hotel. I need to see my face. It's pretty. It's a pretty face. It's day 3 here in Upper Peninsula, and we're at the WATERFALls. I think that's how you pronounce it. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, it's gonna be really fun. It's gonna be really cool. Apparently this is the best one, so let's check it out. I'll go on the way lower side.